Did you know that ants never sleep the way humans do? Unlike us, ants don't crawl into bed for a long night of sleep. Instead, they take hundreds of tiny naps throughout the day and night. Scientists discovered that worker ants rest for only about 1 minute at a time, but they do this many times every single day. These short breaks help them recover energy while still keeping the colony active 24 hours a day. That means while some ants are resting, thousands of others are busy searching for food, building tunnels, or protecting the nest. Queen ants are even more interesting. They take longer and deeper rests than worker ants, helping them stay healthy enough to lay thousands of eggs. So even though ants may look endlessly busy, they actually survive through countless micro-breaks instead of one long sleep. Tiny creatures with tiny naps, yet together they build some of the most organized societies in the animal kingdom. Globe sparkles. Did you know that an owl can rotate its head up to 270 degrees? Owl, that's almost a full circle, far more than any human could ever do. But owls don't turn their heads this far just to look cool. They actually need to, because their eyes are fixed in place inside their skulls. Unlike humans, owls can't move their eyes side to side. So instead, they rotate their heads to look around. What makes this possible is their incredible neck structure. Owls have 14 neck vertebrae, twice as many as humans, giving them amazing flexibility. And here's the really fascinating part. Scientists discovered that owls also have special blood vessels designed to prevent damage when their heads twist so far. These vessels keep blood flowing smoothly to the brain and eyes, even during extreme rotation. Without these unique adaptations, turning their heads that much would be dangerous for most animals. Nature turned owls into silent nighttime hunters with one of the most extraordinary abilities in the animal kingdom. Crescent moon sparkles. Did you know that sharks don't have a single bone in their bodies? Shark. That's right, a shark's skeleton is made entirely of cartilage, the same flexible material found in your nose and ears. Unlike humans and most animals with hard bones, sharks have lightweight bodies that help them move quickly and smoothly through the ocean. This flexible skeleton makes them faster, more agile, and incredibly efficient hunters. But don't let the soft material fool you. Their cartilage is specially strengthened with tiny mineral deposits, making it strong enough to survive powerful attacks and deep-sea pressure. Because sharks don't have heavy bones, they also use less energy while swimming. Some species must keep moving constantly to maintain water flow through their gills and stay alive. And here's another amazing fact. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, even before dinosaurs walked the earth. With no bones, razor-sharp senses, and millions of years of evolution, sharks are truly one of nature's most perfect predators. Wave sparkles. Did you know that cats can make more than 100 different sounds? Cat face. That's far more than dogs, which only make around 10 different vocal sounds. Cats use a huge variety of noises to communicate with humans and other animals. They can meow, purr, hiss, chirp, growl, trill, yowl, and even create sounds that seem almost like a baby crying. What's even more interesting is that adult cats rarely meow at each other in the wild. Most meows are actually used to communicate with humans. Over time, cats learned that certain sounds grab our attention faster. Some cats even develop special meows just for their owners, almost like having their own unique language. And every sound can mean something different: hunger, happiness, fear, curiosity, or simply wanting attention. So the next time your cat meows at you, remember, it might be trying to have a full conversation. Paw sparkles. Cats aren't just cute and mysterious, they're also some of the most talkative animals in the world. Did you know that male platypuses are actually venomous? Beaver. It sounds unbelievable, but these strange-looking animals have sharp spurs on their back legs that can deliver venom. During mating season, male platypuses use these venomous spurs mainly to fight other males and defend their territory. And while the venom is rarely deadly to humans, it can cause extreme pain that lasts for days or even weeks. What makes the platypus even more fascinating is how unusual it already is. It lays eggs like a reptile, has a duck-like bill, a beaver-style tail, and webbed feet like an otter. When scientists first discovered the platypus, some people thought it was fake, like different animals stitched together. But nature really created this incredible creature. A mammal that lays eggs, senses electricity underwater, and carries venom in its legs. The platypus might be one of the weirdest and most amazing animals on Earth. Globe sparkles. Did you know that elephants are the only mammals that can't jump? Elephant. No matter how fast they run or how excited they get, elephants always keep at least 1 foot on the ground. The reason comes down to their massive size and body structure. Adult elephants can weigh several tons, and their legs are built more like strong pillars designed to support enormous weight, not launch their bodies into the air. Unlike animals such as kangaroos or horses, elephants don't have the flexible ankles and spring-like tendons needed for jumping. But even without jumping, elephants are still surprisingly athletic. They can run up to 25 kilometers per hour, climb steep hills, and swim long distances using their trunks like snorkels. Scientists believe keeping 1 foot on the ground also helps elephants stay balanced and protect their joints from injury. So while elephants may never leap through the air, they remain some of the strongest, smartest, and most fascinating animals on Earth. Globe sparkles.